Hey everybody, welcome to Little John's Yarns. I'm Alicia and I'm here to help you grow your handmade business. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you click that subscribe button and a notification bell so you're always up to date with what's going on at Little John Yarns. Today's video is sponsored by the Prospr Planner, and of course I only recommend things that I would use and something that I believe in myself. And I like this little planner so much that we are having a giveaway and one of you will be the lucky winner. Also, Prospr is offering us a 30% discount code, especially for Little John Yarn followers. All the details for the giveaway will be in the description box below. So right now, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what comes in this planner. Here's what comes with the planner. You'll get the planner itself and an idea book, which I like, where you can jot down whatever you're thinking at the time. As you can see, I already started jotting little thoughts down. I put this in my purse and take it on the go. I'm always having things in my brain. And also the planner, which is very well made and has very thick pages. One of my favorite things about this, it has cool little bookmarks so you don't lose your place, is the visualization board, where you can just fold out and write down your plans and goals for what you want for the future. I haven't filled this part out yet, where you stick on pictures and things that inspire you to achieve your goals. And you can write down your vision, your big plan, and your commitment, that things that you're willing to commit to achieve your goals. It also comes with a monthly planner where you can jot down your most important dates, but also I'm going to show you what's going to separate this planner from any other planner you have and how to use it to become more productive. We're going to talk about 3 points of having a successful and productive life and how using this planner can help you achieve these goals. The first one is visualization. You have to be able to visualize what you want to achieve it. If you can't see yourself attaining this goal, then you truly must not want it to happen. If you keep thinking as your craft as a hobby, you'll continue to make hobby money, not real money. And you have to be able to write your goals down and see what they are. And this planner offers a visualization section that helps you achieve all of these. Important point number 2, goal setting. Not just goal setting, but breaking your goals into smaller goals. Yes, you can say, I want to make $100,000 in the next 5 years. That's wonderful. But you have to set goals on how to get there. The wonderful thing about this planner, you're able to set them into smaller increments to achieve this goal, such as in a yearly goal, monthly goal, weekly goal, and daily goal. And at the end of these goals, at the end of the day, you're able to review your goals to see if you were successful, or at the end of the week, review your goals if you achieved all of your mini goals during the week. This helps you be held accountable for exactly what you do, which I love, because sometimes the big goal can seem so big that it's unattainable. And breaking your goals into smaller bits works so much better and makes things seem more attainable. And I'll show you exactly what it looks like in the book and how I use it. The planner takes your big goals and turns them into micro goals, sectioning them off by months, by weeks, and even down to the day and how you can accomplish them. Okay, another one, and very important to me, number 3, time blocking. I'm a very busy woman. I work a rotating midnight shift, so my night shifts are never the same. Sometimes I sleep during the day, sometimes I sleep at night, so I'm always losing sleep. I am married, I am a mother of 2, I have my own YouTube. I know YouTube seems fun and magical, but it's a lot of work goes behind it. I make 3 videos a week, creating 2 new patterns every week. I write a blog, I sell my handmade goods, I offer tips and advice on selling. I have a lot of things to do, and sometimes I feel like a chicken with their head cut off. And for me to organize my life, time blocking is the key. It allows me to be hyper focused on exactly what I'm doing at this time, such as let's say I'm working from 9 to 10 on my blog. Therefore, I'm hyper focused from the hours of 9 to 10 on exactly what task I'm doing. Without my planner, sometimes I have a list of things in my head and I'm working and it becomes jumbled and confusion in my mind. It becomes a stress and burden. Having time blocking takes that stress away and the frustration away and makes life more approachable. I can take life each step at a time, each hour at a time, with time blocking. And this also allows me to have more time to devote it to my family. So this is wonderful. The great thing about time blocking, it's like you squeezing every single ounce and second out of your 24-hour day. It's all about finding balance, focus, and being able to spend time with your family and doing things that you love. Because without being able to do things that you love, it's not worth it. So I recommend getting yourself a planner. Remember, we're having a giveaway, so one of you will be lucky enough to receive this planner. And also, Prospr is offering, just especially for us, a 30% discount code to my followers. So all that will be in the description box below. So remember, good planning and hard work leads to prosperity. All right, guys, I'll see you all on the very next video.